What's going on, everyone? Got a 2017 Toyota Corolla. Today we are changing out the cabin air filter. So it's going to be located behind your glove box here. So go ahead and open it up. Then come over here and disconnect the damper. Then go ahead and pull the stoppers back this way. And then you can lower the glove box. The glove box will even come off the hinges if you want, if you just pull it. We're going to try not to do that. Leave it right here. And we're going to take this door off right here by pushing this tab in, pulling towards us. The door will come right off. Just pull out our old cabin filter. And we'll get our new one. Now, notice on our new one that it has these arrows. These are airflow arrows, okay? And the airflow is going to be down. So you want the arrows facing down. Filter in as far as you can. Let's see here. This way. That'll work a little bit better. The left side in first. Door back on here just by clipping it like that. Get the glove box and you just close it. And we're gonna damper back up. So if you need a cabin filter, I have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up. If this video was helpful, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me or leave me a comment. I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.